Temperature transducers. A temperature transducer is a device that converts the thermal quantity into any physical quantity such as mechanical energy, pressure, and electrical signals. Main features of temperature transducers are the input to them are always the thermal quantities. They generally converts the thermal quantity into electrical quantity. They are usually used for the measurement of the temperature and heat flow. Working principle of temperature transducers. The sensing element in a temperature transducer changes its properties with temperature variations. As the temperature changes, the element's properties also changes accordingly. Desirable conditions for choosing the sensing element are as change per unit resistance of material per unit change in temperature should be large. The material should have a high resistivity so that minimum volume of material is used for its construction. The material should have continuous and stable relationship with temperature. Types of temperature transducers. The first one is thermistor. The word thermistor can be termed as thermal resistor. So as the name indicates, it is a device whose resistance changes with the change of temperature. Due to their high sensitivity, they are widely used for the measurements of the temperature. Properties of thermistors. They have negative thermal coefficient, that is, resistance of the thermistor decreases with increase in temperature. They are made up of semiconductor materials and the resistance lies between 0.5 ohm to 0.75 mega ohm. They are generally used in applications where measurement ranges from temperature minus 60 degree to 15 degrees Celsius. The second one is resistance thermometers. Resistance thermometers or RTDs are precision temperature sensors made from high purity conducting metals such as platinum, copper or nickel wound into a coil and whose electrical resistance changes as change of temperature, similar to that of thermistor. The main features of RTDs are they are high sensitive and very cheap as compared to thermistors and thermocouples. They can measure the temperature from minus 182.96 degrees Celsius to 630.74 degrees Celsius. Third one is thermocouples. Thermocouples are temperature transducers made of two different metals like copper and constantan joined together. One junction is at a constant reference temperature while the other is the measuring junction. A voltage develops between the junctions when they are at different temperatures, which is used to measure the temperature. The main features of thermocouples are extreme temperatures of range between minus 200 degrees Celsius to over 2000 degrees Celsius